So Amazon Bedrock Guardrails allows you to filter inputs and outputs for LLMs. And so here's an example where I created a guardrail and I wouldn't let it talk about Microsoft Azure or bananas. And I told it that when it encounters those, it's going to reply back and sorry, the guardrail has said that it's not allowed to be said. So what kind of guardrails can we put in here? Well, we have content filters. So this will be based on harmful category filters from 0 to 5 or something. You have prompt attack filters, which are for people trying to do injection or try to break into the logic of your LLM model to make it do things it shouldn't do. We have grounding filters. So this is a score threshold to validate if information in reference source is grounded and factually correct. So you'd have to provide a reference source when doing it. We have relevance filters, so validate if the model's response are relevant to the user's queries. We have deny topic filters, so describe a topic to the LLM that you want to block as the input. So maybe saying, don't start a sentence with the word don't. You can have up to 30 defined topic filters. You can provide 5 sample phrases of 100 characters alongside the description. You can filter out profanity. You can filter out specific words or phrases. You have PPI or PII filters, so up to 31 PII types, where you can either say block or mask. You can do reg expressions up to 10. There's another service called Amazon Bedrock Watermark Detection, which detects if an image was generated with Titan image generator model. It falls under this guardrail section. I just didn't want to make a slide for it. It's not that interesting for us to produce a slide or a video on, so I just threw it in there. But yeah, guardrails is something you can integrate with the LLMs right in the playground within Amazon Bedrock Agent. I'm not sure how you do it programmatically if you weren't using an agent, but there might be a way to do it, but it's pretty straightforward. If you're using a framework like LangChain or LlamaIndex, they have guardrails that you can do, and it doesn't cost you anything. And so, again, that's another reason why you might want to use LangChain or LlamaIndex instead of paying that huge cloud cost for this stuff, okay?